Hi everybody, welcome back to Rain and Pours. I am Mitch and today we're getting straight into a painting. I have this cloud pour that I did in one of my earlier videos. I think I uploaded it, I can't be too sure. I don't like it, so I'm pouring over it. Simple fact. So I'm going for a similar colour scheme minus the gold. We're going for oceany beach tones. So I've got Triart Phthalo Turquoise, I have Triart Interference Turquoise, and the rest are This Little Piggy pigment. So I've got Taffy, Sea Glass, Unicorn, Sapphire, and then I have Stuck Up Pigs Boastful. Stuck Up Pigs is the beautiful chameleon colour shifting blue to green. Then over here I have my Triart Titanium White Cell Activator. So jumping straight into it, we're going to lay down our pillow of British Paint's Low Sheen Interior House Paint. If you would like to buy any of the Little Piggy pigments, the mixing sticks, the baby cups, or anything that you need for fluid art, check out fluid-art.co. And if you would like to learn the Sheleeart Bloom technique that I'm doing today, head to sheleeart.com.au and use the code Sheleeart15mgrimer for 15% off the course. Okay, let's get straight into this. So we're going to go down first with our Triart Phthalo Turquoise. I don't know why I put my stir stick in upside down sometimes, but I do. Then I want This Little Piggy Boastful. Putting Boastful over a white background is a bold move because it may flocculate, but we're going to give it a go. Then I want This Little Piggy Taffy, I think. And I may colour block these. So I'm going to go Taffy over here in the corner and a little bit in the middle. Then Sapphire over here and a little bit in the middle. Then I want the Triart Interference Turquoise over the top, and then a little bit there, and a little bit there, and a little bit there. I'm going for a Lisa Marvin style where we blow out the petals but we don't go all the way to the edge. We don't want a full coverage bloom. Then I'm going to put Sea Glass with a little bit in the middle. And a Unicorn. With a little bit in the middle. Okay, and then on top, I think I'm going to do a little bit more of the Phthalo Turquoise to give some really popping cells right there. Okay, so I'm going to blow this out with my mouth, so bear with me as you may see my fat head in the shot. But hopefully this is going to work well. Oop, just changed the camera for no reason. All right, here we go. Cell activator down. We're going with white today. Cool, loving it. Awesome, okay. Color blocking was a good choice. Now I can see that it has shifted this way slightly, so I'm going to move the whole piece to one corner so I get my design shifting in one direction. And then move the whole thing to the middle. There we go, beautiful. Right, let's give this a good spin. Get some of this paint off. Moving nicely. I don't want to spin it too fast. I want it to go nice and slow so I don't warp those cells. Now I can see I'm losing one edge, so I'm going to bring it back to this side. And then I'm going to gently scrape up the excess paint from the edges. So don't go flying off everywhere onto my bench, and let's give it another good spin. So this is going to move all of that paint to the opposite side where I've already spun off paint here. I want it down here now, so let's move it a little bit further. Just to shift the weight of the force, the center weight. And it's definitely working. I can see that elongating and looking super, super cool. All right, let's scrape off some excess again. Now, I did mention that the sapphire over white can tend to flocculate and break apart, which is exactly what it's doing, but I'm not mad about it. I don't think. I expected it to happen, so I think I'm okay with it. Let's move this back to center and spin again. I think I moved my mat. There we go. Give it a good spin. Let me just check to make sure that the center isn't moving still. Still got a little bit of movement there, so let's give it a big spin, and we're going to get a lot of that paint off. And I'm pretty happy with that. That looks super, super awesome. Check the middle. And that's fine. Perfect, look at that. Okay, so let me just show you in the close-up camera. You can see all those beautiful cells. That looks awesome. Got a really cool design going on down here. I don't know what's going on there, but it's awesome. The paint's just broken up in such a cool way. Definitely got some, not chameleon cells, what do we call them? Not octopus cells, peacock cells, that's the one. In the center. Lots of depth, lots of color, looking super vibrant. All right, so it's going to be a really nice quick video today. If you like what I'm doing here, like and subscribe. Stick around for more quick pours, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.